As we know, when people do smoothies, they think like fruit and juice. And that's not gonna last. This one is gonna last because it has fat, and also we're gonna put in some oatmeal.
Oh,
this is oatmeal that I found that has, it's gluten-free, but it also has chia seeds, flax seeds, and so you're getting more of that protein, more of the omegas.
Yeah, really good
for
stuff.
sure. And then we're gonna put half a cup of almond milk.
Okay.
Yogurt, I have a plain vanilla, but you can do a plain Greek yogurt, and then coconut oil. I'm going to add a little bit of fat.
Talk about healthy
so
fats.
about like a tablespoon of that, and 12 berries.
Yes.
Okay.
I definitely go frozen because it's nice and cold.
We've got
We
30
have,
seconds.
yeah, 30
Okay,
seconds
there we go.
so.
A little bit of that. It's fantastic. You'll see that if you have something like this with all of that delicious fat and then the oatmeal in there, it's wonderful.
Is that good?
It's the drink that eats like a meal.
There you go.
Delicious. It's really good.
Fischetti, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll put all these recipes up on our website, daytimeonline.tv.
We'll
All
be
right.
right back. Cheers.
Cheers.